Alright, welcome to the Actuator Lab, a little help video for you, mainly on the shell. A lot of students have some difficulty with this, so we're going to go ahead and create the shell. Here it is. So I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to create a new part. I'm going to put it on the XY plane. And we're going to start with the drawing of circles. So I'm going to draw a quick couple circles, 60, 50, 40, there's another little one that's 6, and one more that is just little 2. Alright, so I've got some circles made. I'm going to just go ahead and click on these and press delete and get them out of my way. Okay. I'm also going to draw a line from here to here. It'll be 15. Yep, and I'll just bring it back. Oh, it's not letting me. So I'll draw another line from here to here. It'll also be 15. There it is. And we'll do that down here. I could mirror it, but I don't have mirror line drawn. And one more time from here to here, 15. And there we go. I'm going to finish that sketch. Alright, and so looking at the drawing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring everything, I'm going to use this plane right here. I'm going to bring this up and I'm going to send everything down from this plane. Okay? And so for this first extrusion here, I'm going to bring that up 10. Okay? Next, though, for the section that is the legs, see this straight portion right here? I'm going to make it an uneven extrusion. And I'm going to click right here. And the portion that is 10, I'm going to make 5. And I'm going to make this portion, so it's 75 down, and then another 50, so it becomes 125. Okay? And if I go down here, I can see this portion too, and that'll be the same, like that. Okay? And now I'm going to hit a plus. I'm going to do the same thing, but instead of 125, it's going to be 75. And that is going to be right here. And if I click right here, and right here. Okay? Now, I'm going to turn this around so we can see the back. You can see now this bottom is hollow. I don't want that. So I'm going to do a new extrusion, and I'm only going to take this one way, and I'm going to do this portion right here. And I'm going to turn it around, and that's going to go down 75. Okay? I'm going to hit plus, and I got one more, this portion here. It's going to go in that direction, but it's going to be 75 plus 8, which is 83. I'm going to hit OK, and now I'm not quite done, but you can see I have that little piece on the bottom too. So I couldn't do it all in just one extrusion. I'm going to have to do another one, but it'll be real easy. I'm just going to start a 2D sketch on this plane right here, and I'm just going to draw a circle from the center and take it right to here, which is our 40. I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude, but I'm going to turn it around, and I'm only going to go down 70. Okay, why 70? Because if this total distance here is 75, then these walls are 5 millimeters thick. That'll be a 70. Then I'm digging out. And so I'm going to hit OK. And that's almost the part. Almost. Now I'm going to choose my thread tool, and I'm going to put threads here, and I just need to make one little change here, make that by 2. And that is an M50 by 2, and let me look at the drawing one more time, make sure I'm not messing up here. A 6H, yep. And so that is right. So I hit OK. And just one more thing, I'll only do one of these holes. So I'll click on that. You can't click on the rounded part, but you can click the flat part. But now I can't really see. So if I click like that, and now I want to take this, it's centered, so it's 15 on that measurement, and tab, and it's 8 to the center. How do I know that? Well, it's not really listed, but it matches the clevis. So this is just like the clevis. So I'm using the clevis measurement. So we're going to call that 6, that circle there. And so hit escape, circle, right, starting here in this corner, 6, enter, finish sketch, extrude here, but we're going to back up through all and do this little corner too, and hit OK, and there's our hole. You can do that on the other side, and you'll be done. All right, and then save that part, and you'll be ready to assemble all the different parts. Good luck.